My name is Olivia, and today I make slime, and today we are going to be making slime and also doing a tour of my slime caddy. So, first of all, my mom works at TN Lab Supply, so shout out to them. These are from TN Lab Supply. Also, these little plastic sample bottles from TN Lab Supply. And also, I got this measuring cup. And also this funnel. What you'll need is glue, like it doesn't matter how much glue, activator, what you'll need for activator is 1 tablespoon of borax and 2 cups of H2O, and if you don't know, H2O means water. A mixing bowl, measuring cup, a dispenser bottle, and plastic bottles for after. I'm also soon going to start a YouTube channel, and also I'm going to have a slime kit on my mom's website, which is tnlab.com, so I definitely recommend you guys go and check that out if you want some really good science supplies.